Hello, children, welcome back. Let us begin our day with the thought. Our today's thought is in a gentle way, you can shake the world. The words of great leader Mahatma Gandhi ji. Now, shaking of world is in the sense to awaken the people, to fight for their rights in a proper way, in a good way, gentle way, like the path of satyagraha, the path of non-violence. Word meanings, though we have read again. Question number 1, things to do, write the word meanings. I'll be providing you separate sheet for question answers. From that you can copy down. So word meanings. After that, things to do. Write the meaning of the following with the help of the passage. A man of iron will, a person with strong determination, loincloth, a dhoti worn above the knees, non-violence is not hurting others. This answer I have given you. Question number 2, you can take it for homework, but I will help you to find out the answers. From the passage, find the bigger words that include the words given below. Loving. We need to find out such a word that is bigger and the word loving is included in that word. So, first paragraph, the last line, lovingly. Then fashion, second paragraph, no, we don't have the answer in second paragraph. Third paragraph, fashionable. Women, women folk in the next paragraph. And great, you can say the greatest. So question number 2, you can easily find out the answers and write loving, you will write the word lovingly. Fashion, fashionable. That is the bigger word fashionable, which includes the word fashion in it. Women, women folk, and great, greatest, or rather take the word greatness. You can find the answer in the last paragraph on page number 17. Greatness will be the apt answer. Turn the page. Answer the following questions with yes or no. Let us discuss and then you can write down in your notebook. Did Gandhiji use any weapons? No. Did Gandhiji ever miss his prayers? No. Could Gandhiji afford fancy clothes? Yes. Did the king receive Gandhiji at his palace? Yes. Did Gandhiji change his style of dress for the reception? No. And the next question, find and copy any two sentences containing not from the passage. So let us go back again to page number 16. Let us see if there is any line. Yes, in the first paragraph, you will find the line Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns. And in the third paragraph, you will find the line, it's a question sentence, could he not afford fancy fashionable clothes? So these are the two answers. Question number 5, with the help of your teachers and parents, gather some information about the great men and women of our country. Prepare a short speech about any one of them. Prepare it in the class. Two examples are given below. So these we can read in the next period. The speech is regarding Lokmanya Tilak. It is information about the great personality Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, and next is Savitri Bai Phule. So two examples they have given. Based on that, you can find more such information about great men or great women of our country. There are plenty. So any two you can find, and the information you can write it down in the notebook. If you wish to draw, you can draw or paste the picture of the great personalities also, right? So homework, without homework, the day cannot end, period cannot end without homework. Repeat word meanings twice. Read the chapter once. Please read it once again. If you wish to read it 2 times, very nice. but at least once try to read it. Try to understand the values that we learn from the story. This is very important part, because just reading and forgetting is not at all the aim or motto of our chapters. You learned about the simplicity, you learned about the greatness of this man. So always remember, path of truth is not an easy one, isn't it? Speaking truth, always be on the truthful side is a very difficult path, but it will always lead to achievement and accomplishment of our goals. So never forget the simplicity, truthfulness, and the way Gandhiji led the people of our country for the freedom fight, isn't it? So these are the values that we learned from the story. One incident from the story I would like to repeat. Gandhiji went to England, and as I've told you earlier, that the people who went to meet the king, they had to follow, they had to wear a particular type of dress, and there were several norms set by the royal family. But Gandhiji had decided that he would continue with his ordinary dress, and he carried on with it. So be firm. Once you decide for a good thing, come what hurdles may, be firm on that. But this is for good things, isn't it? काही पण हट्ट करून मागे लागणं याच्यासाठी फर्म नाही राहायचं आहे. फर्मनेस टू स्पीक ट्रूथ, टू फॉलो द पाथ ऑफ ट्रूथ, टू फॉलो द path of non-violence, that is not hurting anyone. Okay, now non-violence, not hurting, can be in the sense of words also. Never ever speak such words that will hurt your sisters, brothers, your parents, your friends. So be careful in the choice of words also. Because मार पडला तर आपण विसरू शकतो, पण शब्दांचा मार, it's very difficult to forget. So always speak good, be nice to everyone, even to animals, because we share this planet with all the living beings, isn't it? That was the message I have given you in the first introduction period. You must have seen the picture many times. You can see the children happily continuing their studies along with small birds and along with the ecosystem, right? So let us meet in the next teaching period. Complete your notebooks. Keep on reading. In the next period, maybe I'll give you a short revision so that you can revise whatever you have learned till now. So, till then, stay safe, stay indoors, have a good day.